you need to do is come to this channel Moneymaker 001 and smash the subscribe button. Now a lot of people ask me a question, and that is how to remove background from a picture. You must have known about a website which is known as remove.bg, but you know that when you remove background in that website, what happens is that the photo loses its quality. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove background of a picture without losing quality. Okay, this is really interesting. Keep watching this video till the end and understand the entire thing step by step. Okay, so we are going to utilize Canva. The thing is that for this you just need to pay some money, and the thing is that you have to pay some money for this purpose. Okay, you just have to purchase Canva Pro. Okay, but I am going to show you two strategies where you can monetize this stuff. Okay, and you can just create your payment for this Canva Pro plan. The thing about Canva Pro plan is that you can use it for Redbubble as well as you can use it for Fiverr and provide the services. Okay, the thing is that you just need to remove the background. All you need to do is place the image over here in your Canva editor, and the first thing you need to do is just go to this effects. Okay, you just need Canva Pro plan for this, and you just click on this background removal, and the thing is that it will magically remove the background without the photo losing its quality. Now this is something and the best feature which you should utilize, and I have found that this is the best one. Okay, I have tried other websites, but the thing is that the perfection with which Canva does this thing is the best, and the thing is that Canva really you can download high quality images with this strategy. Okay, so this is something which you can do. Just purchase a Canva Pro plan. That is something which will be needed to earn this. Okay, so this is the first thing, you have done it. Now the second thing where you can utilize this skill of yours is Redbubble. You can just go and create a lot of designs for Redbubble just by removing the backgrounds, and the thing is that you can then upload those designs to your Redbubble shop. The thing is that I have created a lot of videos, and there is an entire playlist about Redbubble design creation. So the first thing is that take some good designs, just remove the background, upload it to Redbubble, and you will be passively making money out of it. Okay, now the second thing is that you just need to go to Fiverr and provide this service which is known as remove background from picture. Just note this keyword, that is remove background from picture. The thing why I am paying this emphasis on this keyword is because this keyword has lowest competition. If you are going to try other keywords for this type of service, then there is a lot of competition, but if you are just going for this keyword, then there is bit of a less competition. So there is a huge chance that your gig will rank on Fiverr really fast. And the best thing which you can do is that create the best of the thumbnail. This is something that can make you or break you on Fiverr. The thing is that just take an entire week and design the best thumbnail which you can for your Fiverr gig, and you can just jump onto Fiverr and start providing these services, as well as just study the gigs which are really successful in this niche. Follow the pattern which they have created, follow what they are writing in their gig, understand and do some search engine optimization of your gig, and you will be able to get traffic. Okay, even in this saturated niche you will be able to get traffic on your gig, and that is something which you need to do. By the way, you can see that all these people are providing these services, but you can just give a service like I will remove background for 10 pictures. In this way you will be beating up the competition, you will be providing something extra to the customer, and in this way there is a greater chance that you will get more orders on Fiverr. So you are just purchasing one tool, that is Canva Pro, and now you are removing backgrounds, and the first thing you are doing is that utilizing that tool and uploading designs to Redbubble, which will make you money, as well as you are also uploading those design or you are also providing that particular service on Fiverr.com. Okay, in this way you will be monetizing one of your very simple, I may not call it a skill, but one of the really easy gimmick which you have learned, and you will be monetizing that gimmick in 2 ways and making some extra income for yourself. Now this does not take a full worthwhile time, okay? It is really very, it can be done in a very less period of time, as well as whatever tips I have given you for the Fiverr gig, if you apply this gig then tips, then definitely it will work out for you. And target this keyword, just note it down in your diary or write it down in your smartphone, okay? Remove background from picture, because this is the keyword which has the lowest competition in this niche and in this category, okay? So definitely take action on this strategy, and definitely press the like button, smash the subscribe button of this video. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.